Hey Mecha fans, we have some update on the upcoming release from Wolf Remains Logar. This is the promotional video released by the manufacturer for Logar, which is the 1:60 Barbatos Lupus Rex. This will showcase a metal inner frame as shown here on the video. This will have a massive height of 34 centimeters. And this video will showcase the basic articulation that this model kit is capable of. This model sports a cockpit, but I'm not seeing any pilot figure being included on this build. The feet has good dynamic range of motion that could support several dynamic poses for display. The elbow can bend for more than 90 degrees. And we have some knee separating armor gimmicks for dynamic display like this. And looking at this video, they added some additional gimmicks and weapons for this build. The sword mace spans at 58 centimeters. We have cables for the actual tail here, and this can be connected at the back. Overall, I'm really excited for this to be released. This also include the Berserker Ice gimmicks, and this will have a cape which is rumored to be exclusive for the first batch. I am really excited to get my copy, and pre-order status is now on its second batch. Thank you for reaching this far. Subscribe for more updates. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.